In the fight against COVID-19, Surat adopted the triple T strategy of testing, tracing and treating. The resources which were already stretched were to their limits because of the number of increasing patients. Whereas due to the lockdown, the rolling stock and human resources were lying idle. Surat Municipal Corporation adopted an initiative and used these resources for the fight against COVID. The buses were used for transit of patients, medical staff and municipal staff from different places. Some of the buses were used as Dhanvantri Rath, as mobile medical units. Some of the buses were converted into mobile sample collection unit to comply with the ICMR guidelines, and around 10 buses were converted to use into ambulances. A notable achievement of CityLink was to transit about 7 lakh migrant laborers from different parts of the cities to the railway station as a part of their journey. Surat has prepared a standard operating procedure for all of its facilities, which includes the bus stations, depots, terminals, buses. All the stakeholders like the operators, ticket collecting agencies, security staff, housekeeping staff have been trained for all the procedures, and care has been taken that the government protocols and directives such as the compulsory wearing of mask, hand sanitization, proper social distancing be followed, and all the facilities such as buses and depots are regularly sanitized. The passenger ridership of CityLink, which has increased slowly from about 0.25 lakhs in 2014 to about 2.8 lakhs in 2020, has taken a beating. We are facing a loss of number of passengers due to safety reasons, health reasons, and also due to number of reduced trips. We shall be increasing the operations steadily as the condition normalizes, but we expect that the number of trips and passengers is going to fall, and it will be somewhere around the range of 75% of the pre-COVID situation. Improving the last mile connectivity is a very important component of how we want to increase the ridership of public transit. And to increase the public last mile connectivity, we have taken a number of steps, and one of which is the public bicycle sharing system throughout the city. Another is we take care to increase the walkability of the city, that is, try to have pedestrian friendly streets. An increase in a proper accessibility of the public transport from the place of residence or workplace has caused an increase, and this is the way where we are trying to increase the last mile connectivity of the transport. In line with the e-vehicle policy of Government of India and Government of Gujarat, Surat has started adopting to e-vehicles. We already have ordered for 150 electric buses and have initiated the procedure for another 150 electric buses. We have started the procedure for installing charging infrastructure for all vehicles within the city area, and we are contemplating to convert all of the municipal vehicles slowly into the e-vehicle mode. Surat's plan for enhancing mobility for its citizens in Surat in future is reflected in our comprehensive mobility plan. We are trying to have a multimodal transit system which is integrated and holistic. Our thrust to the mass transit over the private transit is a commitment. The future of mass transit by metro project along the 2 corridors of about 40 kilometers is going to be a game changer. And let me finish by saying that our ideology of SARAL, that is safe, accessible, reliable, affordable and low carbon mobility, that is Saral mobility, is our vision of future.